Welcome back to 573 Reviews. It is September 1st, 2025. Today is my birthday, so I'm going to do a video of something that I really like, and it's going to be mouse calibers. I've got a 22, the 32 ACP, and the 380 ACP. We're going to run one Stinger through the 22, one Magtech hollow point through the 32, and one Hornady hollow point through the 380. We'll see how those do. And let's see here. I don't have very many of these, but after we run those three and do a comparison, I'm going to run an Underwood 32 ACP. It's that Extreme Defender. And we'll take a look and see how it does. I would say it's going to do a lot better. If my block looks funky, it's because it was the first time I ever tried to reconstitute a gel block. And I cut a lot of corners, and it shows. The example that I got out of it was equal to the effort that I put into it. That's the way everything works in life. Anyway, let's get started. I'm starting out with that Stinger. And yes, the TX22 does have a longer barrel than the 32, but the 380 also has a longer barrel than the 32. And I'm going to go from left to right. I'm going to try to put this one as far over to the left as I can. And I've got another camera set up down there, so we should be able to see what happens. We're back with the Magtech 71 grain hollow point out of the NAA Guardian 32. I'm going to try to put this one down there as close as I can next to that 22. From here, it looks like it did okay. We'll see what the other camera caught. Looking at that gel, that 32 looked like it did a lot, but the bullet bounced off my level 3A vest back there, and there was absolutely no expansion. We'll move on to the 380. We're back with the 380 Hornady hollow point, so we're going to put that one as close to that 32 as I can. We'll see what happened. That little 32 mushroomed perfectly, but it just left a pretty straight wound track in that block. This is kind of hot, but that level 3A back there does a good job of catching stuff. But yeah, mushroomed, looks like a picture on a box, but just didn't do much in that gel. So now I've got that Underwood 32 ACP. It's the one that little tip looks like a screwdriver. I'm going to put it to the right side of that 380. We'll see if that did any better. Sorry about all the bubbles in this gel block, but we've got that CCI Stinger right there, and it has expanded perfectly. We got a really disrupted wound path from that 32 ACP hollow point, but it didn't mushroom. Looking at it from this angle, the 380 shot straight through, which I caught that bullet, and then the Underwood, that doesn't look especially damaging, really. I was thoroughly impressed with the CCI Mini Mag, so I'm going to run one through this M&P 2215 or 1522. I don't know what the heck it's called. I think I ran it right in that same damn path. But this one, I'll try to put it over here on this side of the gel block closest to that other camera. We'll see what we got. Okay, so my other camera failed me on that one, but here was our entry. It went straight through here, and right there is our fully expanded CCI Stinger. That 22 Stinger, they've come out with a lot of new 22 ammo, but that's still hard to beat. That's going to wrap it up for my birthday video. We got the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard here in 380. That's the original. We've got the NAA 32 ACP, and we've got the Torx TX22. All three excellent little firearms. Thank you for watching this video on my birthday, and as always, thanks for just being here.